Verb of affirmation. Definition and meaning. What does an adverb of affirmation mean? The word affirmation in the phrase adverb of affirmation means the act of affirming or asserting something. That is, affirmation refers to the act of asserting some statement as true or existent. So, an adverb of affirmation is, by definition, a word that asserts that something is real, true, or existent. Adverbs of affirmation include yes, certainly, definitely, surely, absolutely, really, truly, and others. Here are a few examples of adverb of affirmation. Examples of adverbs of affirmation. A. Yes, I like chocolate. Yes, I like chocolate. B. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. It's surely too late. It's surely too late. You're certainly right. You're certainly right. I'll definitely teach him English. I'll definitely teach him English. Explanation. All of the example sentences given above contain adverbs of affirmation which are highlighted. These adverbs of affirmation confirm that something is true, real, or existent. Note that adverbs of affirmation also emphasized a fact.